Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at the English Literature Paper 2. Now this is a predicted video, so what this means in simple terms is I'm going to provide my predictions for the paper, and like I said, it's not guaranteed to come up, so don't just solely rely on this video for your revision because you need to revise all 15 poems. Now, our first predicted question for section B for power and conflict is the following. Compare how the power of the natural world is presented in Storm on the Island and one other poem. So that's our first predicted question for section B. The second predicted question is compare how the power or importance of identity is presented in Checking Out Me History and one other poem. And the final one, compare how the power of memory is presented in the Emigre and one other poem. So this is our three potential questions that may appear in your upcoming exams on Wednesday. So these are some areas for you to potentially revise in further detail. And that takes us towards the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more.